Are you looking for a WordPress expert to professionally customize and develop your WordPress website? I customize your website according to your requirements, and you will get easily business. My services: Theme Forest Theme Demo, Import, Elementor Fix, Elementor Template, Import, Customize, Elementor Template. About me: I have 10 years of experience in WordPress, CMS, and PHP programming languages. During those 10 years, I built a total of over 497 high-quality, fully featured websites. My mission is to build long-term working relationships, themes and plugins, customization and implementation, graphics effects, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, checkout process, payment gateways, Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, Corel Draw, Bootstrap, jQuery, and MySQL, etc., which makes me perfect for this job. Thank you for considering me for your project. Let's take your WordPress website to the next level. Thank you for watching. I can customize any type of WordPress theme, which is very beneficial for you and brings you business. 100%. Guarantee for satisfaction.